I always love to take a little bit of the outdoors to decorate with, especially around the holidays. I'm going to show you how to transform one of these, which I'm sure you've got laying around, into beautiful door decor using things you probably have right in your backyard. Once you've got all of your magnolia leaves glued right onto your cardboard frame, remember we put this loop on in the beginning. Now all that's left is to hang it and you've got a beautiful new wreath for the holidays.